Hello, welcome to TT's Corner. Today marks the end of the Paris 2024 Olympics, and I am here just to give a little summary of what I saw. First, I would like to send congratulations to Roger Stoner, Shanika Ricketts, Keyshawn Thompson, Wayne Pinnock, Rajinja Campbell, and Rashid Broadbelt for medaling for Jamaica. I also want to big up all the athletes that represented Jamaica. I am proud of you all. I know that some of you may feel disappointed, but I'm hoping that you go back to the drawing board, make your necessary improvements, and come back out for 2028 Los Angeles Olympics. I know great things are in store. Yes, and I was sad that Shelly and Sharika was injured. They got injured and they couldn't compete. And especially Shelly, because it's her final Olympic and I wanted her to come out, show out in all her glory. And on behalf of each and every Jamaican, I want to say thank you. Thank you, Shelly, for representing Jamaica throughout the years. We love you. We appreciate all that you did to help our country in being the track and field tyrants that we are. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And Keyshawn Thompson, it's your first Olympic. And in my eyes, you did absolutely fantastic. And I know that you may be feeling a little bit discouraged, but I'm telling you no. Don't be. Because I, along with other Jamaicans, in our eyes, we thought you came first, but they said otherwise. And in spite of that, I saw your poise, your calmness, and your overall sportsmanship. And I applaud you. I sincerely applaud you. And I know 2028 will be your year. And for all the first timers, you did great. You did fantastic. You may not have gotten, some of you may not have gotten a medal, but I know 2028, you're going to step up and show out and let people remember that Jamaica is top tier when it comes to athletics. Okay. Also, let me see now who I wanna address first. I think I know. I want to talk to the JAAA and the JOA. I want you to shuffle the deck, wheel and come again. And I just want you to start over and make sure that the athletes get all the necessities needed so they can be more than prepared for the upcoming 2028 Olympic. So right now the clock is ticking and you have 3.5 years to come up with the right solution. And also, intimidating an athlete representing the country who speak his or her mind is not a good look. So I want you to ponder on that and do better. Do better. Yes. Yes, because I took notes. Last but not least, I would like to say something to my fellow Jamaicans, especially the ones who wrote the negativities and was doing the most on social media. You, in my humble opinion, you were an embarrassment and you are unpatriotic. No matter what, calling someone representing your country a prostitute, saying they should be poisoned, threatening harm to them, and talking about their skin color negatively is unacceptable and disgusting. You can do better, and you should do better. I had made a post and asking certain people to step forward and speak on the situation, to help stop the harassment. And I found out after that Minister Bobsy Grange was hospitalized, and I want to say I wish you a speedy recovery, Minister Grange, and I hope in the near future you can come and speak about the happenings that I spoke about in my previous video. I had also called on journalist Oral Tracy, and I saw where he made a video, and I appreciate that. He didn't come right out and say, and they should stop, but what he said I appreciate, because he talk about he see some of the things that are being said, and he know it's because of jealousy. It's nothing more than jealousy. So whoever the cap fit, you can wear it. Yes. And all in all, this Olympic, it's not the best for Jamaica, but we can learn and grow from it. I myself, if I say something, I'm woman enough to stand up in it and say I did. When I saw all those negativity being spewed, I wrote on a post and I said, my St. Elizabeth Maroon ancestors are not pleased with what's going on, and for that we won't be giving Jamaica much to celebrate about. because they're not happy. The maroon ancestors are not happy with how you're treating your fellow Jamaican, and for that they won't be giving you nothing much to celebrate. And it's sad that the words came to pass. And as I said, Jamaicans, you can do better. You can do better. It's so sad that people from across the world had to see your dirty laundry being aired on social media and see how you treat your own. So I hope you learn from this, and for 2028, no matter what, no matter how, no matter when, you stand up and you cheer as loud as you can for the people who are representing the green, black, and gold. And you shout with all your might and cheer them on and let them feel that they are wanted, respected, and loved. Thank you, and God bless you.